I'm in another tiny house here. It is, I guess it's sold, but the door's open. So I don't know, maybe it's a model home. This is one next to it. Well, you can see there's a loft over there. And there's a loft here with windows all around. And then steps. So I'm starting from the top. So that could be my bedroom. More windows here. This could be a little craft room. Do you see there? That'll be big enough for a little craft room for me. I'm not sure what goes there. Maybe a refrigerator. Let's see if I close the door. Maybe we'll get better light. So the stove goes there. And then that's your sink, of course. And that looks up to the loft. Let's see what's down here. Oh, that's a drawer. Okay. And there is an outlet there, so I'm not sure. Maybe that's where a refrigerator goes. There's a mini split unit. You could put a little table and chairs there. And then there's a barn door here. There's the other loft. So you'd have to have a ladder to get up to that one. And here's the bathroom. Look at these built-ins. And there's one on each side. There's a washer and dryer hookup, I'm thinking maybe we'll go there. Tankless water heater. This might be an off-grid. Nope, that's just the access panel. There's a shower. Oh, that's where the washer and dryer goes. Okay, and then another built-in. Yeah, totally livable, this one. And that's into the kitchen area. Oh, living room. Instead of craft room, this would be a little living room. That's what that would be. And you could put a door or a curtain on that, but that's good storage. So you could put a love seat in here, maybe a wall hugger recliner, and that would be a living room. Yeah, I could totally do this one. Really nice. I'll show you outside. Has a deck, maybe 6 by 6. You get down. There's all those Incrediboxes. Those are all $20,000 houses. The factory over there, those two buildings. And this is the one I was just in. Door was open when I got here, so I'll leave it open. And that's it. It's awesome, I like it. Let me see what size this is. And this is just on a sales lot, so don't worry about the legs on the deck. Oh, they're actually on hinges. That folds up. Yeah, it's got hinges on it. Sometimes they rate the size on the tongue, but this one does not have it. I like it. See you on the next video. This is Incredible Tiny Homes in Newport, Tennessee. You can look them up on incredibletinyhomes.com. Bye.